Hey guys, good morning. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Loud and clear, right? Yeah. Good morning. Let's get started. My screen is visible to you, everyone? I'm typing something. Visible, right? Yeah. By the way, how are you, everyone? Happy, huh? Yesterday match? Hmm? Not watched? You watched and you came morning 7:30. Wow, that's great. So let me introduce me first. So my name is Omkar Nallagoni. So I'm currently working as a lead data scientist in Cognizant. I have total 11 years of experience in completely digital domain. That means I started my career as a data analyst. Then I moved to data scientist. So completely digital domain. So I'm not a kind of a guy is converting in middle from testing to this or some other domain to Java to this. Not like that. So my starting career is I am in the Python, statistics, analysis, and machine learning like that. So digital domain only. So coming to my education, I have the MTech from JNTU Hyderabad. And I also PG diploma in data science from IIT Tirupati. Also, I have some certifications also like Azure data scientist certificate I have. Also GCP MLG certification I have. Also IBM data scientist certificate also I have. So Azure data scientist certificate and GCP MLG, IBM data science. I have so much privilege that all I completed in my IT industry only. Companies will give free vouchers. Generally, if you want to write outside, you need to pay minimum 8,000 rupees. You need to pay $100 for exam. So I'm so lucky for that. And next, so not only that, so my teaching experience also almost more than 11 years. In fact, I can say my I started in my early BTech only. I started career, but currently I have collaborated with some startups. In that, Brilio is a one startup. I'm a corporate trainer for the Brilio company. Also, I am the guest faculty for Praxis Business School. Also, I am the guest faculty for Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, Pune, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, Pune. And also in past, I collaborated with Upgrade, IMS Pro School, IMS Pro School. That are the main. These are the main in the past. I collaborated with that Upgrade and IMS Pro School and many things like Ekida. I collaborated with Ekida and 360 Digit. So Ematicus. That is not. I am not in that now. Okay, but in the past. Currently, I am with the stick with these three, and I am with the Naresh IT. So this is about my profile. So let's get started. So today agenda is what is the need of the data science? What is the data science? What is the difference between intelligence and data analysis? So life cycle of data science and what is by data scientist and machine learning, generative AI. All your doubts I will clarify today. Okay, today agenda is that. Today agenda, by you are leaving the class, you need to know about the idea of the data science and the AI. So in the outside, there are so many terminologies are there. Okay, that all terminologies will clear today. That is our agenda. Let's get started. I will show the three pictures now. Okay. Now you tell me what is the pictures. Like with me, it is always a proactive session. It is not like a MBA kind of session. That means I will teach, you will listen. That kind of session is not works for you. Okay. You need to talk with me. I will also talk with you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me directly. Okay. Sure. So this is the first picture. Tell me, what is the meaning of this first picture? Bolo. Evaluation of human. Nowadays, who is the first evaluation? Who is the last evaluation now? Evaluation of human, right? Evaluation of human. Nowadays, the human is what? Robot. Now it is always robot technology. Everywhere is a robot technology is there nowadays. Like you can't avoid this technology, and that is called AI technology. Okay. Now AI is coming to everywhere. Knowingly, unknowingly, you started using AI nowadays. Okay. Now you're seeing now some DPs or AI DPs are coming. They're keeping with their children or family. In 1990s, when computers are coming, everyone afraid about the jobs will lose. You are kids, you don't know about the situation. Maybe uncles knows very well. But computers are created more jobs, no? We are witness of that now. Every period, this transition will be there. Every 20 years, 10 years, some transition technology will change. And so that what happened, we will afraid more. So that will happen in every situation. But you see, nowadays computers are using everywhere. Schools also computers education is there. Malls also computer operator is there. Government also computer operator is there. But we are the software engineers are the highest level of the people. We are using the developers with the computers. But everywhere computers are using. Now our papa, mama also using WhatsApp, no? They are using that, no? So in the same way, AI also is coming to your life. Everyone will use AI nowadays. In next 2 years, everyone will use AI technology. There no doubt at all. Now central government and some states also introducing AI in the school also. Now your school fees also increase with the AI classes. Again, like IIT JEE from 6th class onwards. Now AI classes from 6th class onwards. Like that will happen now. Now malls also they will use AI. Everywhere they will use AI. Like AI anchor is there recently. That is also we have seen. Robotic hotels are also there. Hotels, robotic. So everywhere AI will be there nowadays. You can't avoid the AI. So, but AI will not lose your jobs. AI will create more jobs. So which jobs are will going to lose, which jobs are will create, we'll discuss that. So that is very good, your understanding. Tell me about the second picture. Tell me about this. हाँ क्या रहे बताओ. हाँ update the hey Pavan smart birthday or what? Hmm? Sai Prasad, we'll talk about all the definitions. Okay, we'll talk all the definitions. What is the definition of artificial intelligence? What is the definition of machine learning? That is that is the only job, our job. Okay. This to give me 3 days time. Okay, first, second, third. Look, everything you'll got a picture of your life thing. So today is a completely we know the what is happening, what's going to learn. That is the thing, our agenda. Tell me this. What is this picture, ma? Updation. Update the technology. Update the technology is very, very important in our life because we are IT industry people, na? We are not a government employees. We choose this career. We are choosing this career because India is a huge population. Everyone can't get the government jobs. That everyone should agree. Now in our class only, so many people are passionate about the government job. They tried for 5 years. Again, they will not get. Achama. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. So here, what I'm saying is you need to update the technology like you started with 1990s, computers are emerged. Now slowly, Java, first C language we learn, next C++ we learn, next Java we learn. Now what we are learning? Python we are learning. Tomorrow, no Python also. Whatever you are typing, the code will automatically created. That's why Google has fired the total Python team. Who is developed Python also, Google has fired them. You, तुम्हारा जरूरत मेरा नहीं है. The Google team said to that Python developer guy. That is a very shocking news nowadays. Who developed Python also, they removed him. Update the technology. So now what is that? You see here in 2010, if you want to take a photo from the snapshot or camera, how many jobs are you required? Tell me. One cameraman job, one pilot job, one ATC controller job, one environmental guy job. There are minimum 4 or 5 jobs are required in the 2010. Now in 2020, only drone operator job is enough. That is called what? Update the technology. So if you don't update your technology in IT industry, na, katam your jindagi. You'll stop there only. So that is the second picture. Now third picture. Coming to the third picture now. Tell me this. What is this meaning? ChatGPT kills everything, na? Yesterday I given one workshop. One girl said this is ChatGPT is a villain. Villain in our life of the ChatGPT. Then who is ChatGPT? Who is Python? That we need to understand today. Is Python ChatGPT both are same? No, not at all. So we need to understand that. So three pictures now. So first picture is saying that now current status of the thing. And the second picture is saying that you need to update the technology. And third picture is saying that and what is going to the difference between the languages and the technologies. Now you need to understand something here about the difference between tools and technologies. Tools and technologies. I will give the definition. You tell me what is the tools. Okay. Tools means will changes according to the time. According to the time. Okay. Technology will always remain same. Technology will not change. Technology like a subject. Like a subject. Okay. Now tell me some tools. What do you know the tools? Tools. Bolo tools. Languages are all the tools. C is the tool. C changed. Is anyone using C nowadays? No, right? Then what is the next? Next. Next. C, sir. Next. PHP. Next. So suppose Python now. These are the tools. Okay, tools over now. Now you see. If you learn anything in this kind of things, that will be replaced by who? ChatGPT. There's no career in this. There's no career at all. That is happening. That means whatever you automated, okay, whatever human being automated, those jobs will gone in the future. Whatever human can be automated, actually every jobs can be automated. Okay, every jobs can be automated. That's why we are seeing the AI anchors. That is, you see here, AI anchor is there. AI anchor. What is that? Some Odia TV. Odia TV. AI news anchor. Odia TV, Indian TV news channel. She is the AI anchor, actually. That is. So that is also can automated. Everything can be automated. Like, lawyers also, judges also can be automated. Doctors might be replaced. AI developer is there now. Who is that guy name called? Devin. Devin AI. He is the AI software developer. Software developer. The Devin AI is a software engineer. It's a scam. It's not a scam. They are trying to implement that. The software engineer is also replaced. Then what is our job? Sitting at home? No, right. We can't sit at home, right? That is the thing. So now we are in the circus. Now we are in the circus. You want to become an audience or you want to play with tiger? Tiger master you want or you want to sit in audience? Tiger master, no? Oh, tiger is a AI. You should be a master of the tiger. So it is a time to learn about the AI things. That's why we are everyone passionate about buzzword. You know, right? Tell me about something. What are the new emerging technologies nowadays? Tell me that. What are the new emerging technology? What are the new emerging technologies? Okay. Now we will see what is the technologies that we are seeing. Okay. Tell me what is the technologies? Tell me first technology. AI is a technology. IoT is another technology. Bolo ma online people. You're not saying. Tell me ma. Cloud computing, Microsoft NLP is not a technology ma. IoT is a technology. Yes. Cloud computing technology very good. Cloud computing is a technology. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology. Yes. Next. Bolo. Tell me. Huh? DevOps is not, no, again, that is going to cloud. Next, blockchain, very good. Blockchain. Blockchain is a technology. Instead of AI, we can replace data science and AI. That is the best. Okay. Data science and AI. Next what? IoT. Next, cloud computing. Next, blockchain. Next, Bolo. Any other thing? SQL is not a technology, ma. SQL is a tool. Okay. Power BI also tool. Quantum computing. Yes, somehow. Cyber security, very good. Cyber security. Cyber security. Now tell me next anything. Nanotechnology, that is called quantum computing. Quantum computing. Next what? Anything is there? Robots and cobots technology. Robots and cobots. See, you might have seen that is some people said SQL, some people said Power BI, some people said NLP, some people said ML. These are not technologies. These are in the part of data science. These are in the part of technology is nothing but a subjects like physics, like chemistry, like mathematics. These are the subjects. So data science and AI is the subject. IoT is the subject. Blockchain is the subject. And cyber security is the subject. So these are the subjects. And these subjects are the future now. Why everyone is so much passionate about data science and AI? Why you are not passionate about blockchain and cyber security? Tell me. Why everyone knows about why data science and AI? Because now in India, everyone knows only data science and AI only. No one knows about the blockchain. No one knows about the IoT. There are no courses also. These courses are available in the foreign only. In 2008 only, in 2008, Canada Ottawa University, data science 4-year degree course is there. 4-year degree, data science. Now, how many colleges in 2024 in India? How many colleges are data science course? Now only they are including, and full money, full fees, and they are included like this now. CSE plus ML, CSE plus AI. Okay, one of my sister wants to join the BTech course. I talk to them. I ask them, what is CSC plus ML? What is CSC plus AI? They are saying that again, these are two optional subjects only. They are not teaching entire ML. They are not teaching entire AI. In the evening batch, I have some professors are there in my batch. They don't know enough Python at all. They are learning from me now again in the evening batch in the BTech colleges. That is the situation. They are somehow getting the UGC. There is no 4-year degree at all. Now in 2024, I'm not blaming the India here because everything will be developed by the foreign. Slowly, they'll move to India. That we need to agree that. But we are so much lag, no? We are so much lag. Now these many technologies are there. These many technologies, every technology has a future. Every technology has a future. But every technology they are implementing a AI. Every technology AI is coming. So now this is a very, very good opportunity for you. Because nowadays BTech colleges are implementing the AI. I know BTech we will not study again. Again, you will come into Amirpet only, Naresh IT only. Again, we know that. But the thing is happened, you have a 4 years time is there. You have a 4 years time is there. You need to prove yourself. So this is the right time to choose the transform into career now. That is the one thing. So now, did you got the difference between tools and technologies now? Can you please confirm the chat? Clear, right, everyone? Tools and technologies. CSC plus cyber security. CSC plus that. Online people, please respond in the chat. Please be proactive in the class. Suppose I will give one good use case. Now you will understand that use case. Use case. Okay. Let's talk about the use case. Imagine that you want to develop a self-driving car. Self-drive car. What is self-driving car? Tell me. What is self-driving car? Without driver, no? Generally, self-driving car means what? Without a driver. So without driver. So what is your approach? Generally, you will arrange so many cameras to the car. Agree with me? Cameras or sensors. You will agree, small cameras. Now car will move. When car will move, what happens? It will capture the data. It will capture the data. It will capture the data. So much data you will generate because it will capture tree, it will capture road curvature, it will capture the persons, it will capture the building and speed breakers, everything it should capture. So much information it will capture. So much information you need to store. You need to store. That is the one thing. Once you store the information, you need to make the commands to the car, right? Okay, this is coming, look like tree, so don't hit the tree. This is look like man, though don't hit the man. Okay, you need to give the commands, na? You need to prepare like this chart, right? So you need to prepare some commands. That means you need to analyze it. You need to analyze it. And finally, you want to make sure your data should not be stolen. Should not be stolen. So there are some technologies are there in this use case. Can you name it? What are the technologies? Read it first and tell me now. Everyone in the class. You will arrange so many cameras to the car, it will capture the data. This is one technology. What is this technology? Tell me. What is this technology? Say loudly, what is the technology? IoT. What is the technology? Internet of Things. Internet of Things will capture the data using the sensors. Okay. When you have a smartwatch is there, na? Will capture the heartbeat or not? Will capture that everything, your temperature or not? When you enter into your room, based on your body temperature, now AC will be decreased and AC will be increased. That technology is coming. Have you observed that? IoT. You can clap like this, that will off and on. That's IoT. Whether you are there now, there's a one ad is coming now, Kohler ad, Kohler. Washroom things. When you steps will come, then it will open automatically. Auto open and close. When you put the water in your washroom, it will come. What happened? Based on sensors. It will come automatically and go, na? That which technology? IoT technology. It capture the data. It is called IoT. Internet of Things. It is called IoT data. Now, so much information you need to store. Where you will store? Where you will store now? Cloud. Because your laptop is not enough, no? You need to store somewhere. Who is that somewhere means? Cloud. That's why there are three guys will come into important role. In India, Ambani, Adani will rule India. Funny way we'll say, na? In entire world ruled by only three companies. What are the three companies? Google. Tell me. Microsoft. Amazon. Google, Microsoft, Amazon. Very, very famous. Google is the one company. That's why Google developed which service is called GCP service. Google Cloud Platform. Cloud ka name. Google has some cloud services is there. What is that name is called? GCP. What is the full form of GCP? Google Cloud Platform. Now Microsoft also one cloud services name. What is the one services name? Azure. What is the services name? Azure. Similarly, Amazon also one service name. What is the service name? AWS. Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. You go to any company, they will tie up with either these three companies. You go any company. My client is called Google. We always work with Google only. My wife works in TCS. Now she is working with Azure. Nowadays, companies are what they are. They are hiring the freshers. They are training any one of the cloud. When projects will come, they are pushing to them. But Pakka, you need to collaborate with these three companies. Either Google, Microsoft, AWS. These guys only now taking the commanding over the world in the AI that we'll discuss. Now, you need to analyze it. Who is come to the picture here? Tell me, you only. What is that? Data science and AI. Very good. Now you need to secure the data. Who will come to the picture? Cyber security. Now see how beauty of this. One project, how many technologies are included? How many technology? And DevOps, cloud, everything is optional again. Creating the pipelines, the DevOps guy will come optional only. Email engineer guy is optional only. But one project, there are 4 technologies are there. What are the technologies? The first technology is IoT is there. IoT is there. And the second technology is called, what is the second technology? Cloud computing. Cloud computing is there. What is the third technology? Data science and AI. Data science and AI technology is there. And what is the fourth technology? Cyber security. Which means you are not alone. Okay. There is one work is there. It will not happen with only one data science guy. It is not happen. There is some other parts of guys also be required. But that guy's work can automate. But your work can't automate. Because you are a tiger ka master. You are not a audience. Are you getting what I'm saying? You are using the tools. You are using the skills of data science. So that's why data science and AI is become very, very famous. So now let's understand what is exactly meaning of data science. What he will do. What exactly data scientist will do. That we will see now. Ajam. Getting clear? Now onwards good, right? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please Harshant and yes, very good. Tumala, Giri, Vishnu, good. Rohit, good. Yes, very good, very good. Let's see. Now, first of all, data scientist is a designation, ma. Okay, it is a designation. Data scientist is a designation. He will do some research work on the data. What he will do? So what is the scientist ka naam? Scientist matlab kya hai? Research na. He will do some research on the data. That's why this is a designation. Data science is a designation. He or she will do some research using data. That is his work. He will do some what kind of research? Now we will see. Again, I will give some use case. Listen very, very carefully. With this example, you will understand about what is data science meaning. Suppose there are mom and kid, 2 persons are there, mom and kid. Okay, it is a conversation between mommy and kid. So that is case one. Case one, mommy watching a movie in TV. Mummy watching a movie in TV. You know, right? Kids will ask so many questions. Like 4, 5 years kid. Mama, what is that? Papa, what is that? Baba, what is that? You have faced that, right? So this kid also very sharp. This kid is asking also, Mama, what is that? Mama, what is that? Now, mom, what will say? Now, mama says, Beta, that is a TV. That is a TV. But kid knows what is the definition of TV? No, right? So what kid will do? Kid will do some patterns. He will understand some patterns. He will understand some patterns. Suppose imagine you are a kid. When you are seeing TV, what kind of patterns you will understand? Tell me. What kind of patterns? Suppose this is a TV. What you are seeing? What kind of patterns you will understand? Rectangular box. Okay, one pattern is called what? Rectangular box. Another pattern? Colors. Color TV only, na, everywhere nowadays. So colors. That kid doesn't know about Shah Rukh Khan. That kid doesn't know about Rajnikant, but he can understand some guy is moving and dancing, no? What is the another pattern? Moving objects. So he don't have the definition of moving objects also, but in his pattern, what is happened? Moving objects. Moving objects. What is another pattern? Sound. Very good. Another pattern is called what? Sound. That is the case one completed. Now case two. Now mama went to mall. Mama went to mall for watch a movie. For movie. Okay. Now mama is curious. What the curious mama? Yesterday I trained my kid. What is that? He asked the question. I said him to TV. Now I want to test my kid. Now mama is asking, Beta, what is that? Beta, what is that? Now what kid answer? Obviously TV. Because it's matching na, my patterns. Obviously it is what? TV only. Then mama is says that, no beta, that is a theater. No beta, no beta, that is a theater. Now kid shocks, mama rocks. Okay. Now what kids will understand? Are वो rectangular box है, वो moving objects है, वो colors है. But mama why is saying that is a theater? Then he'll update the patterns. Yes or no? Because you are a human intelligence, na? You will able to think. So this kid update the patterns. Now what are the update the patterns? Tell me. Rectangular box is common, and colors is common. Moving objects is common. Sound also common. Now what is the extra? Big size, huh? Big in screen. A big screen, very important pattern. And kids doesn't like so many people, na? So much crowd is there at home. Unknown people are there. It's a crowdy. And then next anything? So that two are enough, no? Now extra. Now case 3. This time you tell me. Now, mama watching movie in laptop. Mama watching movie in laptop. Okay. Now mama asking same question. Beta, what is that? Tell me. What kid will say? TV, theater, nothing. This beta is intelligent. So he is seeing the sky. It is TV. No. It is theater. No. So it is intelligent guy like you. So he is seeing in the sky. That means he is able to think. Okay, he is able to think. So that is exactly called machine learning. What the technology is called? Machine learning. The same thing will happen in the machine learning. What is my machine learning now? Machine learning will train by, that means it will take the past data. It will take the past data, understand the features, understand the patterns, when a new data comes, it tries to predict the answer. That is called machine learning. Same exact kid only doing that only, na? He will understand the what? Past data, and he is understand the patterns. When unseen data comes, he will try to predict what? Answer. This is called machine learning concept. Clear now? Machine learning means? So machine learning, that's why everywhere we require a data scientist. In the data scientist, it is called designation. In the designation, what you will learn? You will learn machine learning. You learn a subject called what you learn? Machine learning. Now, the data might be in any form. The data might be in any form. Okay, tell me how many forms of data will be available? Now tell me. How many forms of data will be available? I am writing one type of data. I am showing the pictures, another type of data. This is also data conveying. Is conveying something or not? So pictures also conveying. Audio, video also can conveying. And normal text also can conveying, na? So that many types of data is available. Now, how many types of data are available? Data might be in the form of text, data in the form of text, and data in the form of images or videos, or data in the form of some tables, right? Data in the form of some tables. Mainly 3 parts of data. Data might be in the tables, data might be in the text format, data might be in the images format. So whenever data is in the format of tables, this is called machine learning. What is called subject? Machine learning. Same operations only. Data will come, understand the patterns, new data will come, try to give the answer. Same only. Again tell me, data will come, understand the patterns, new data will come, try to give the answer. So now, if data is in the form of tables, what kind of technology is called? Machine learning. If data is in the form of, this is called deep learning. Data in the form of images is called what? Deep learning. And data in the form of completely text is called NLP, natural language process. Natural language process. And नाम है ना language. कोई ना language. Hindi, Bengali, Odia, any language. English, French, Chinese, any language. That is under which technology? Natural language process. If data is in images, which format? Deep learning. If data is in tabular format, which format? Machine learning. So suppose, for example, yeah, I will give one pass. Is that clear, ma? Any doubts? Till now, good, right? Online people? Vani Reddy, Maunika, Sarvari, Repa Kashish, Harnath, and Tumala Srinivas Rao. Srinivas Rao, yes, Thiruvanjan, Sai. Everyone is good, right? Yes. Now again, I'm repeating. First definition of machine learning. What is the definition of machine learning? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me, what is the definition of machine learning? It will understand when a data comes, right here. When a data comes, it understand the patterns, okay? And when a unseen data or new data comes, it tries to give the answer. That is called machine learning definition. And this can be applicable anywhere, no? Suppose yesterday match is happening. Rohit Sharma, before that, he will out for in swinger, like in 2-3 years back. Now he understood. When in swinger dalo, a footwork lagao, like this. Now yesterday, Shaheen Afridi also bowled, no? He gave the six, na? Yesterday. That is called machine learning. But here, that will be applied the human intelligence. Everywhere this applicable is there, everywhere. That is. So when a data comes, it understands the patterns. When unseen data comes, and it try to give the answer. Now data in tabular format. Data in tabular format. And what is the technology now? Tell me. Bolo. Class could be proactive. Okay, not MBA class. Class could be proactive. Learning with Omkar sir is full enjoyment. Okay, I will inject you in that, mind you. Okay, just talk with me. Now, data is in images. Images format. What is that? Deep learning. Deep learning. And data in text format, completed text format. What is called? NLP. So look at the board. You are the HDFC bank manager. You are the HDFC bank manager. Suppose for example, now you want to develop a machine learning algorithm to know whether this guy is a loan defaulter or not. You know what is the meaning of loan defaulter? Whenever you hear this term, who will come in your picture, mind? Loan defaulter. Vijay Mallya. How can you forget that guy? Mallya. So what is your role is called? The use case is called now. The case is called you want to develop a ML model. The terminology we called machine learning models. What do we call? Models. It is a terminology. You need to remember this terminology. Models. Machine learning models. And all algorithm. I will give a small example. Look at the board. X is equal to Y is equal to. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. X is equal to Y is equal to 4. And 3 and 9. And 4 and 16. Now 5, what is the answer? Bolo. Say loudly, you know, na? 25. How? So step by step like mission. What happened in your mind? Go step by step. Directly Y is equal to X square coming in your mind. Before to come, what is happening in your mind? Data is feeding, na? Data is coming in your mind, na? Now see the definition. What is our machine learning definition? Data is coming in my mind. My mind understand the pattern. Understand the pattern. Now my mind make one formula. Make one formula. Formula that is called y is equal to x into x. Now a new unseen data comes to my mind, my mind, and this giving the answer is called what? 25. This is exactly machine learning or not? That is machine learning only. That is only machine learning. So that's why data scientist called what? I will say astrologist. You know astrologist? What he will do? Predict your future. What data scientist will do? Predict the company future. Predict the, that is his job. But how can he predict? The astrologists don't have any valid proofs. Recently, we went to one pilgrimage. There is a one parrot astrologist came. My wife was very, very interested. I want to take. Everything is good only. Now that guy has written on me. She is curious on me also. That guy said he will, in future he will got 2 wives. Katam my jindagi at home. That has happened. So you don't have any evidence at all. That has happened. So here you see we have we are the data scientist. We are the data scientist. Will understand the data. Will understand the data, and will make algorithms. Will make algorithms. Algorithms is nothing but our proofs. This is happening because of this. You know that guy movie Super 30. Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan go to one hotel and he will say that in 2 years hotel band ho jayega. Then hotel guy will shock. Then what Hrithik Roshan will do? He will explain very, very clearly with all the numbers. Na? So if in order to become a data scientist, you need to learn a little maths. You need to learn a little maths. When I say maths, don't afraid it. Okay, teaching maths is my job. Okay, I will teach you a plus b equal to c. That also I will teach. So don't worry at all. And this mathematics, when I say little maths, means it is just a algebra mathematics. Algebra mathematics. What is algebra mathematics generally? Like ax plus by plus c. I am not asking you prepare for calculus, integration, differentiations, Euler's theory, Rutherford's theory. Not that mathematics here. A simple, straightforward mathematics. For example, I will give the example of that. Look at the board. You no need to worry anything. Just come to with free minds, because many trainers will not say, because they want the people to pay the money. But I will show the real case. You need to learn mathematics definitely. Okay, because numbers only speaks, not words. Okay, how can you get the proofs? How can you get that valid patterns? The valid patterns will give my mathematics, because I am the real-time employee. My life is difference is there. Teaching is my passion. Okay, but some trainers, some institution, they will lie. You no need to worry about mathematics. You know, mathematics is not required. Everything taken by ChatGPT. That is all bluff. Don't believe that. I will show you that. But that mathematics I will teach you. Look at the board. There's a two persons are there, A and B. A is buying a laptop. B also buys laptop. A is buying a car. B also buy car. Now A will buy TV, and what B will do? What will do? TV only, na? That is called recommendation, na? Your friend is watching a horror movie. You are going to with your friend, and your book my show will recommend you what? Horror movie only. That is called what? Recommendation, na? Let's see here. That means A is going in the some direction. Okay. A is going in the direction, this direction. A is going this direction. Look at the board very carefully. How mathematics very easy with me. A is going to this direction, and B also going to this direction. Both are going to same direction. Okay. Both are going to same direction, A and B. Okay. Now this A is going to this direction. A is going to this direction. Now similarly, B is going like this direction. And A is going to this direction, and next to B is going to this direction. Three directions are there. How many directions? Three. First, both are in same direction. Then both are in deviated the direction. And both are in completely opposite direction. A and B. You need to learn a small things. Okay, that is I will take care of. Tell me what is the angle between these two? Both are in the same direction. What is the angle? Bolo, what is the angle, ma? Online people? 0. Not 90, right? 0. Very good. So 0 degrees. What is the angle between these two? Very good. See, now you got mathematics. What is the angle between these two? Bas. Ab bolo, in your 9th class mathematics, cos 0 kitna? Cos 0 kitna? 1. If you don't know, nothing to worry, okay? You can Google it, it will come. But understand the concept is important. Cos 0 is what? 1. Cos 90 kitna? 0. Cos 90 kitna? 0. What is the answer? 0. Cos 180 kitna? Bolo, cos 180 kitna? Don't know answer? Google it. It's okay, fine. Don't know answer? Google it. It's okay, fine. What is the answer? -1. Both are in same direction. 100% relation. What is my one? 100% relation. Agree with me? You are buying TV, I am buying TV. You are buying car, I am buying car. I am buying mobile, you will buy. What you will buy? TV. So 1 is nothing but what? 100% relation. Now, what is 0 means? No relation. 0 means what? 0 relation. -1 means what? Completely negative relation. You will buy something, I will buy oppositely. Like wife and husband. Okay, you say something, I will do oppositely. -100% relation. Okay. Now, that is the beauty of mathematics. See, this 100% relation given by who? Cos value. Cos 0. You don't know about cos 0. It's absolutely fine. Google it. But what is the meaning of 1? That you need to learn. What is the meaning of 1? 100% relation. What is the 0 meaning? No relation. What is -1 means? -100% relation. That is the beauty. First, boyfriend and girlfriend, positive relation. After fighting, 0 relation. After breakup, completely opposite relation. Same exactly that only in the life. So that is called simple mathematics is required. Because mathematics is very, very important. That is a simple mathematics. You leave to me that is. So now you understood the definition of machine learning, right? Definition of machine learning. And you also know the types of models, algorithms. 3 types are there. What is the first type? Machine learning. What is the second type? Deep learning. What is the third type? NLP. What is machine learning, matlab? Tell me. Data which format, ma? Tabular format. Data which format? Tabular. What is deep learning? Images format. NLP? Text format or audio format. It's very, very easy. So many of my students don't know anything, but at the end of 4 months, you will do some marvelous things. Look at the board. So this is one of my student. We recently implemented what is detecting, and the road is detecting the cars. This is developed by my students only. This is which type of algorithm? Kya re? Bolo loudly. What is the type of algorithm? Deep learning type of algorithm. Deep learning type. See, this is my student only, Sudarshan Mane. He is my student only. Like so many my students, I encourage to do showcase their work. Like this also Dharmendra. Chatbot creation. Like many projects we will do that I will show you tomorrow because there are a lot of discussion is going in this. This all you will get with me because I'm a completely real-time employee, right? So I know what is happening in the IT industry. That all POCs here you will do. Now There are three things are happened: machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. Nowadays, now fourth thing is coming called generative AI. Generally AI, and fifth one is called generative AI. We'll discuss about that. Generative AI. AI and generative AI. So what is generative AI meaning? What is generative AI meaning? Generative AI. So imagine that I given 5 questions and 5 answers. Imagine that I given 5 questions and 5 answers. Okay. Now, if I ask one question out of from that, will you give the answer or not? Will you give the answer or not? Definitely will give the answer. Imagine that I will give a sixth question. I will give a sixth question based on 5 questions. Will try to give the answer or not? Obviously, yes, right? That is because of what? Human intelligence. Because of what? Human intelligence is possible that. Now, same way, these people are, who these people are? That people is Google guy and AWS guy, like Amazon guy and Microsoft guy. These people are thinking that why can't we generate this kind of thing approach by providing a so much data? By providing a so much data. Human being can take 5 questions, okay, but I can give 5 million questions to a machine, na? That is the idea. That means they trained on physics, they trained on chemistry, they trained on maths, they trained on biology, they trained on polity, they trained on history, they trained on GK, they trained whatnot, everything they trained. All coding languages, all Python languages, SQL languages, and they developed one model. That technique called what? Generative AI. Whatever you ask, it will generate it. Whatever else, it will generate it. That is the meaning. You see here, suppose ChatGPT is there. ChatGPT is the one generative AI model. What it will do? What it doing? Suppose you want some Python code. Write a program. Write a program to print first 10 numbers in Python. It will give the answer. See, for I number in range of 1, 11, Python program done. So that given by this is called generative AI technology. It is generating the answer. Generating the answer. So now it is developed by whom? Now ChatGPT is the one tool. ChatGPT is the one tool. ChatGPT is a tool developed by OpenAI. Developed by OpenAI with collaborated with Microsoft. Collaborated with Microsoft. It is a tool. Now you can ask any question. Write an essay on Virat Kohli. It will give the answer. It will give the essay also. Now kids don't have work in the school. Everything they will do that this only. It will give the answer. Everything bar answers. You can ask any question. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy. That means they train with Virat Kohli data and try to generate the essay like human being. How it is happening, that we will learn in our classroom. So we will able to create our own GPTs, our own chatbots. That is our end goal. That is our real-time projects. Now you can ask the question, what is the kinetic energy? It's kinetic energy also giving. You can make fun with also. Suppose, what is 10 plus 10? Let's complete that. Kinetic energy, practical applications, wow, summary. What is 10 plus 10? You give 20. You can talk with that also. But my wife says 30. If my wife knows, she will kill me. I'm making fun on her. So what is saying that? Mathematically 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. If your wife says 30, she might joking or referring to something. No, my wife is a math teacher. I will say like this. My wife is a math teacher. Let's see. Your wife be a math teacher, says 10 plus 10, there might be a specific context. See, now it is agreeing. It's convincing. My wife is correct. Like that, we can talk also. Like every month I'm doing the workshops on the generative AI as a behalf of Naresh IT. Everyone is doing chat GPT, but I'm interested to talk with one more model called Google model. Google developed a model called Gemini model. Okay, that is a model. Which model that is called? Generative AI model. Microsoft generated which model? What is the model name? Chat GPT. Microsoft developed which model? Chat GPT. Amazon developed which model? Amazon Q. You need to remember these terms. Amazon Q. So Google developed which model? Gemini. Microsoft developed which model? Chat GPT. Amazon developed which model? Q. So this also I included. Gemini I included because my client is Google. What are the miracles are going on? I know that in that. So I thought I need to provide these concepts in the group. So chat GPT we will do, Gemini also we will do in our course curriculum. Like let's see how the Google Gemini model. AI Studio, it's called. Same thing only. AI Studio. You can ask the same question here also. Like who is Virat Kohli? Virat Kohli. You can give that same question here. Run here, it will give the answer. Early life, career, everything is giving. Same thing. This is also a model, that is also a model. But this is whose baby? Google ka baby. That is Microsoft ka baby. These three companies are taking the commanding on the life, everyone life. Now, knowingly, unknowingly, you don't have any chance. Every company should tie up with these companies because these companies are spending a lot of money, lot of money. Now they are fighting each other also. Like you know, who is the CEO of Google? Microsoft CEO. Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella complained about Google in USA court. See, Microsoft Satya Nadella says unfair tactics used by Google dominating the search engine. See, there's always fighting between the Microsoft and the Google because Microsoft Bing is not famous, na? Google search is famous. Some of the Google products are famous. Now these guys are implementing the AI concepts here. So that what happened? They are fighting each other. Google is very famous because this is a secret friend is there. Who is the secret friend? Tell me. Apple. Apple is the friend is there. That's why you open Safari, you will not see Bing, you will see Google search. Have you ever noticed? He tie up with Apple, like he's a China and Pakistan kind of thing. Those things. Okay, they will tie up together. And this guy is developing one beautiful product called what? GPT. He's collaborated with OpenAI. Now there's a big fighting is going on. Now suddenly this guy is coming with Q name. No, so much crores of money they are spending. Now TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, HCL, all the Indian service-based company tying up with these companies. Don't run away. You are in with my area. Like that, their motto. Everyone should be their area only. Knowingly, unknowingly. You are using their products only. That means it is happened like this. Suppose you are employee of TCS. TCS work for suppose HDFC Bank by using Google products. This is the scenario. Same thing. TCS work for HDFC Bank by using which products? Microsoft products. Same thing. Microsoft product. And TCS, this is working for HDFC. Again, by using which product? Amazon products. This is common. These three companies are common. Google, Amazon, Microsoft are common in every company. Because TCS do not spend that much money. Na? Why TCS will spend the money? TCS asks the Google, give me the product I will use. That is happening in the IT industry. That employees knows very well. So that's why we are called, this is called service-based company. This is called which company? Product-based companies. They will develop the product and they will hand over to the companies. You need to use that. That is happening. So I want to say these guys are commanding with this. Now, recently one of my students says, I'm very privileged that he just typed that, who is Nallagoni Omkar sir? ChatGPT knows me. That is. See is that. Nallagoni Omkar is well-known figure, digital data science and blah, 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 blah. Many things is giving. So I'm so much privileged about that. Okay. Yesterday my student just doing fun and is just my name and giving that big essay on me. That is. So now I want to know now one question. Generative AI is generative AI use, you can do many things. Suppose one look at the board. Then lots of discussion is going on because 1.5 hour is not enough. 1.5 hour is not at all enough. Look at the board. So these are the generative AI. Suppose you are asking a prompt, write a tagline for an ice cream shop. So it will give that your tagline of the ice cream shop. You can ask your